Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to enhance old photos with AI Image Colorizer. So, let's jump right into it. First off, no need to fuss with account creation. You can dive right into enhancing your photos without any sign up hassle. But, of course, if you do choose to sign up, you will unlock even more possibilities. Check out this homepage. It is like a toolbox of digital wizardry. But for now, let's focus on enhancing old photos. Head over to the AI Enhance section and hit that Enhance button. Then, it's as easy as a click to upload image and pick the photo you want to give a makeover. Now comes the exciting part. Give the transformation a green light by tapping Start and watch the digital magic unfold. And don't miss the preview icon. It's like a time-traveling mirror, letting you see the past with a moment twist or a modern twist. When you are happy with the result, it's just a download away from capturing that moment's new brilliance. There you have it, a piece of history elevated with a touch of AI wizardry. So go ahead, give your treasured memories a contemporary flair. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep celebrating moments old and new.